Wow. Take a look at all the things that have been happening in the cup with our caterpillars. So do you notice that one that's right in the middle like a J? That one's been up there all day in that J formation. The other ones that are shaking and brownish, they've started, it's a chrysalis stage. Oh my goodness. Do you see that? And then our one little guy up there still crawling around at the top, he's just looking like he might be about to drop down into that J and then enter into the chrysalis stage as well. So exciting, boys and girls. So you might want to pause the video and take a look. All the action's happening at the top now. We still have 5 healthy guys or girls, but right now 3 of them are hanging in their chrysalis, that brown casing. One is in its J, trying to figure that out. And the other one's up at the top, maybe getting ready to go into the J. Wow. That chrysalis, I think it's happening right now on that caterpillar that was in the J. Do you see how it's changing over and forming? It's very busy.